In this video, I am going to teach you how to view completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. So you can notice right here our actual Microsoft Planner. We can see in here our task, plan incorporated on those tasks, as well as due dates, priority, progress, as well as quick looks. So for example, let's try to make in here this second task a completed task. It's also due date today. So once you're done with the task, you can click onto this progress option, click on the drop down and click on completed. So as you can see, when you complete something, it will give a notification or a sound, but it will not actually hide that. That is unless you have a filter enabled. So for example, if you have filter enabled, you can head over and not see the completed task. So if you want to see the completed task, just go over to filter, click on progress, and make sure to tick the completed option in order to see all of the tasks you have completed. Alternatively, you can also just click onto this checkbox right here or to this check circle in order to successfully complete the task. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.